Autopilot. Despite the name, Autopilot doesn't replace the pilots. It simply flies the plane exactly how the crew tells it to. It can keep the aircraft on its planned route, maintain speed and altitude. On long flights, it handles the boring parts while the pilots stay in charge the entire time. Yoke. The yoke is basically the airplane's steering wheel. Pull it back and the nose climbs. Push it forward and the plane descends. Turn it left or right and the aircraft banks into a turn. Not every plane has one though. Mayday. Mayday is the most important word a pilot can say. It means there's a life-threatening emergency and immediate help is needed. And it's always repeated 3 times so nobody mistakes it. Boeing. Boeing is one of the biggest airplane makers in history. Its aircraft are famous for using a traditional yoke. Legendary 747 to the modern 787, chances are you've flown on one before. Airbus. Airbus took a different approach to flying. Instead of a yoke, most of its aircraft use a small side stick, almost like a game controller. Powerful computers constantly help the pilots, making Airbus one of the most advanced aircraft families in the sky today.